Alright, what's up guys? So, excuse the mess. I just jumped up out the shower. My hair's all frizzy, but I just wanted to do this, maybe completely unedited if I can get away with it, just as an experiment to see how it turns out and to get this video out as quick as I can because my halfway to Black Friday package just arrived. I'm super stoked about it. I got my trusty blade. So, all right, let's get into it. See the, oh, all right. First time opening it. Hold on. I don't know why I'm doing that. Paper. Gotta make sure it's packed. Oh baby. Here they are. I was getting impatient as hell waiting for these. Alright. Man, this is gonna be a crappy video without editing. But I decided I'm gonna do this. So, I'm gonna do it. Alright, first up. A lot of these are old titles that I'm catching up on. Nothing super exciting as far as like the new releases and crap. Just some movies I needed. And the first one, everybody needs. The Suckling. I mean, what needs to be said about this movie? Rubber monsters, am I right? I've actually never seen this, but I've heard tale of its majesty. Next up, a fan favorite, Tanny and the Teenage T-Rex, the gore cut. I mean, what's not to love about this? It's Tammy and the T-Rex. Super excited. I got the Blu-ray DVD combo, not the 4K. Don't judge me. Number 3, Dolly Dearest. Pretty excited about this. This is one of those movies I used to see all the time at the video store. That cover art is legendary to me. Used to creep me the hell out. This is not the best killer doll movie of the bunch, but the doll is creepy. It's got Rip Torn. Pretty excited about finally owning this, to be perfectly honest with you. This one's exciting. The Fear. Insane movie. Go watch it right now. You'll never watch another movie like it, I promise. Alright, this was a short one. But, finally, the big finale, and the only one I got a slipcover for, one I've never seen, one I've never even heard of, and I don't really understand, because I've heard a lot of great things, and it seems like a movie that would have gotten a lot of play, probably like on USA and stuff. But Girlfriend from Hell. This cover art on the back of the slip is awesome. I want that on a poster. And I mean the front's awesome too. That's a pretty good poster. The eyes are shining. 3 good cover arts. That's pretty sick too. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that's the original cover art. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I don't know anything about this. It's kind of a blind buy. Does it count as a blind buy if you've heard really good things? I think so, because I haven't watched any trailers. I've seen some screenshots, heard some people vouch for it. It seems like some USA Up All Night material, which is gonna be awesome. Who directed this? Daniel Peterson. I don't know who that is. If he's directed some good stuff, let me know. Leanne Curtis from Critters 2. Dana Ashbrook from Twin Peaks. Leslie Dean from Freddy's Dead. Star-studded, for sure. Girlfriend from Hell. With a sweet-ass slip cover. Alright. But yeah, that's it. It was a short one, but it was on the fly. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.